Okay, just having a quick look at how this Forex trading EA is going. It's going really well. Still working with the settings, and the idea of this is to try to get something that works for people who have a small account that can do something fairly easily with fairly small amount of time available to them. So the way this algo works, this is the algo here on the chart you can see. So at the moment I'm playing around with different, so the idea of this one is you only have one pair live at a time, but I've got like a heap of different pairs going on demo accounts, and just before the trading window opens, say the trading window, say the trading window opens here, for example. So you got this, so you can just force it to trade short only, right? So it'll open trades short here, and then it'll manage the trades that it opened in this window. Right, it'll manage those trades. So you could open a window here, for example, for 2 hours and tell it to trade short only. Right, it'll trade all the way down. It'll pick up trades all the way, right? For that, you can set it to trade maximum 5 trades or something, and then it'll close off, won't open any more trades, and it'll manage those ones that are open, and it'll take profit. This is so just playing around. The stop loss was too tight on these, so it didn't get I've got take profit on the trades, and I've got stop loss on it now. I suspect that just playing around with the settings and getting I want to see more take profits get hit rather than stop losses getting hit, because it's a trailing stop loss, so that's why these ended up in profit. But I'd rather see my take profit should have been hit a lot more, and it's not hit at all here. So that's the thing that you're playing around with. So these would have been in a lot more profit at one point, but then they've hit the trailing stop and a small retracement. That's what this information is showing me. So, but they're all except for these two here. That's a huge string of profitable trades, even though they were fairly small gains right there. It's all profitable, which is much better than I expected it to do. So it's a matter of just getting the thing going right, and getting it to trade for me on a consistent basis, which is the whole idea of this. So for somebody to be able to use this, they will have to know that direction. They will have to have some basic idea of price action, which I'm going to have to test this on someone, but they're going to have to know what to tell it. So in the settings here you go, say short only, or here if the window is opening here, for example, like a swing off that, you'd say, or here for example, wherever the window is opening, you can make the window open at different times, and like whatever the pair I select to trade for that window, right, I can just say you come home from work and you've got, like, you want to set the window. Say you got home from work. If they're working full time, they can set the window to start trading short only here or something, and then they can also place manual trades as well on the way down here. So, and then the algo will manage the trades for them. That's the idea of what I'm trying to get going, working for people. But I've got 2 other ones going. One's a free one, which is none of the 3 work just by turning them on and leaving them go. None of them do much better than chance, which is about what I expected. But to trade them directionally, yeah, they work really well. Oh, when I say really well, it's obviously much better than random chance, what the results that it's getting when you make it trade directionally. It's just a matter of the free one's got a stack of settings on it, really heaps of settings. So it's going to be a testing process and just seeing how this goes. But it's encouraging at the moment. But as I say, if it was a matter of just turning these on and leaving them go, then I'd be telling everyone about it. And you get results like this, I tell everyone about it. But it's not simple. It's not as simple as that, of course. If it was, you'd see a lot more people using algorithms. So the test has been worthwhile so far, and I'll see what happens. But so different pairs trade well at different times. That's the other thing. You've got to know what pair to set going for that window. But I'm pretty happy with the way it's going so far. But just see, like, what's that over 3 days or something? That's pretty good. So 3 days about, and yeah, so I don't know if anyone's the slightest bit interested. I thought I'd do, in case someone comes across this, they might be looking up algorithms and that on YouTube or whatever. They'll find my video, but if someone does happen to stumble across it, they might get something. They might get something useful out of my updates. But I'm not going to say what ones these algos are yet, because people are going to run out and try and buy these algos without. I've got to do a video when I work out the actual settings on this. I'm going to do a video saying what these algos are and how you can get them and how you use them, and then what people do with it. Then it's up to them. But you're not gonna go out and just turn. A lot of people get this idea they want to just turn it on and leave it going, and you tell people they have to manage it. Oh, I didn't think I'd have to manage it. I wanted to just make money for nothing. Well, if it was that simple, don't you think everybody would be doing that? So anyway, what can you do? What can you can only try, right? So anyway, leave it at that for now. Just a quick update, and I'll be back with more updates when I get some good results going. And yeah, all right there, bye.